Ignore packages that are not currently installed when using Apt-Get remove. I have a scenario where I'd like to remove a set of packages that may or may not be installed, and I'd like Apt-Get to remove those that are and silently ignore those that aren't. Something like which, if foo and bar were installed but baz was not, would remove foo and bar without complaining about baz. Is there a way to do this? Things I've tried that haven't worked, with cupsdbg as my scapegoat actually installed package to be removed. I know I could do this with a shell script and some dpkg list magic, but I'd like to avoid any complexity that's not absolutely necessary.
Is falling back to lower level tool, such as dpkg, an option? To remove packages config files, use purge as below.
I use apt-get remove purge, aka apt-get purge, for the dependency following with a list of packages. To handle packages that don't exist, I filter out packages that are not installed with the following script.
For debian less than or equal to 9, it is possible to just use aptitude instead of apt-get. Aptitude prints warnings, but continues to remove your packages nevertheless. If you want to purge, delete package config files, rather than remove, keep config files, note that aptitude only purges the directly given packages, while the unused dependencies are only removed. However, you can purge all removed packages in a second step.
Another little two-liner if anyone needs using apt. Explanation.
You can use dpkg to get the packages that are installed, based on your list, store them in a variable, then remove them using either apt-and or dpkg. I just ran into this myself and it works great. You can add other options to your dpkg syntax to remove packages that are unpacked, deal with dependencies, etc. To test it out, try this to simulate the purge of your package list.
Film